Hey guys, it's Crazy Gaming here. So today, I know it's not going to be a gaming video today, but it is my first video on YouTube. So today, I'm going to be talking about Maisto cars, and I have two of them right now. So today, I'm going to be showing you a Lamborghini Murcielago LP 640, and under the Lamborghini is actually a Ferrari F50. So today, I'm going to be showing you how well detailed the car is, and yeah, so let's get started. Boxes can be really hard to open, so please don't judge me in the comments. And if you like this video, please drop a like and make sure to subscribe too. So this is the Lamborghini, so its doors open like any ordinary Lamborghini. So if you actually look inside the engine, it's well detailed, and under the engine is, you know, like the exhaust and the suspension and stuff on it. So I'll show you the interior. So what happened to the wheel was my little brother would play with it, so then he dropped it and it popped up. But you know, that's no problem. And yeah, look how well the details are on the car. And look how well this is detailed. So right now we're gonna move in to the Ferrari. And well, the Ferrari is like, my personal thing, like, you know, opinion is, I think that the Ferrari engine is like so detailed that like it looks like they just, you know, grabbed a real Ferrari and like, you know, resized its engine. But yeah, so I'll show you the Ferrari. And I forgot to tell you guys that I actually opened these cars just to see if, you know, if something was wrong with them. But my little brother grabbed this one and he was trying to without me knowing, and he accidentally broke it. So what I have made is a Ferrari F50. This car is like my favorite car of the collections that I have. So the doors actually open kind of like a Lamborghini door, see? And you know, so look how well the car's engine bay is so detailed. And they said that I could take off the roof, but you know, I don't want to risk it. This car is so well detailed that when you move the steering wheel, it turns the wheels. So inside of here is where the vents are, and where, you know, the Ferrari cover is inside the bag. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video about my two cars, and I hope you guys subscribe and drop a like. Bye.